So this is Marrawah, and it's been marked as a surf beach here.
Just not today.
Not today. They say that Marrawah is as far west as the road will take you in Tasmania, a place where the highways end and the wilderness begins. Located on the rugged northwest coast, it's about 90 minutes from Stanley. Well, since we don't have a stone stomper and we're going on a rough road, we have decided we're going to cover our back window with some core flute. We're still to decide what stone stomper to get for our vehicle. And this is a little piece Steve made up. So why is it you haven't decided on a stone stomper yet?
I'm just hopeless. So I don't know if I want the bar there. It just seems awkward to work around, but I should just bite the bullet and do it.
And we've learnt from the past, you do get a smashed windscreen without it. It happened to us in WA going to the Pilbara. Done.
Hit the road.
They say that travelling around the rugged northwest coast and getting to places is all part of the adventure. We really are quite excited for this challenge and can't wait to see what we find. So this is Arthur River. Just look down there. If you're planning to visit Arthur River, it's been highly recommended to do the Arthur River cruise. We didn't know about it at the time, but I thought it worth mentioning. People said it was fabulous. We'll have to just add that to our next trip should we come back. After spending the morning exploring, we actually headed back to get Mildred because we found a really nice campground in the Arthur Pyman Conservation Area. It's $15 a night and you pay at the Wildlife Office, which is only 400 metres from the campground. So we're now at a campground called Manuka, which is in the Arthur River region. We're still sort of northwest in Tassie. So this is our awesome campsite for tonight, and just over here is a little pademelon. He just got spooked. He was right in front of us. He's munching away, very hungry.
not quite dusk. And these big fat boys come out to play.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. This is brilliant.
Hopefully we don't scare him. So Wombat's pouch faces backwards, so they don't fill it up with dirt.
Here's a little fun fact. A wombat joey stays in its mother's backward-facing pouch for up to 7 to 10 months, developing from a tiny, hairless newborn to the size where it can start exploring, but still returning for safety and milk, eventually leaving permanently around 9 to 10 months and staying with mum for up to a year more. I think this baby is getting close to moving out, don't you? Oh my God, their little feet. Oh, that's the baby's feet. Oh my goodness. Come out and play, little one. Oh, is this wrong? Wow.
Here we are in our van. I'm just about to put some dinner on. And Lovely's just come up to say good day.
So I've painted a few rocks that I'm going to hide along as we go on our road trip here in Tassie. And these are all Tassie themed rocks, especially that one. And then I think I have the most appropriate rock to leave here because of the experience we just had. I think I'm going to leave this wombat, that one. So I think, let me just widen up this frame. Whoop, here. Whoops, found a good spot. Just going to pop him right there, and maybe the next person that camps here might spot it, hopefully. And for all the rocks that I paint, I always put Gibbo's Road Trip Adventures on them. So if you find other painted rocks, if they don't have our calling sign, it wasn't from me, but this one is our lovely wombat. It's been so good at this spot. Look at this tree, perfect to line up my rocks. Anyway, I'll pack them away and we're going to move on. Another gorgeous day. We do hope you're enjoying our content, and to support us, we'd love you to consider giving us a thumbs up, even leave us a comment below on YouTube. It lets YouTube know that our videos are of interest, and it helps us. So I hope you do consider doing that. Anyway, I hope you come along on our next part of this road trip as we go to somewhere very special.